So 3 months ago, I was sitting exactly where you might be right now, staring at a blank WordPress dashboard, wondering if this whole blogging thing was just another internet pipe dream. Fast forward 90 days, my blog hit $237 last month. Not life-changing money, but here's what is crazy. 28% of bloggers don't see a single dollar in their first 6 months, and 34% don't hit full-time income until year 2. I'm not here to sell you some $9.97 course. I'm going to break down exactly what worked, what flopped hard, and the specific strategy that took me from zero to consistent side income in 90 days. Let's get into it. By the end of this video, you'll have the exact roadmap I used, the strategy that actually generated revenue in under 100 days. All right, here we go. Day 1 to 15, niche selection and keyword research. Here's where most people screw up. They pick a niche they think is profitable instead of one that's actually proven. I almost made this mistake. I wanted to blog about productivity tips. Turns out everyone and their grandma has a productivity blog. The competition was insane. Instead, I got super specific. I narrowed down to productivity tools for remote creative freelancers. Way smaller pond, but here's the thing, smaller ponds still have fish. The keyword strategy, I used free tools, Google Keyword Planner and Uber Suggests free tier, and looked for keywords with 500 to 3,000 monthly searches, low competition, keyword difficulty under 30, clear buying intent. For example, and this is just to show you the concept, instead of targeting best productivity apps, super competitive, I went after time tracking software for illustrators or project management for solo designers. These long-tail keywords had way less traffic, but the people searching them, they were actually looking to solve a problem, not just browsing. This is what you should do. Spend your first 2 weeks mapping out 30 to 50 low-competition keywords in your niche. This becomes your content roadmap. Days 16 to 45, strategic content creation. Here's the truth nobody talks about. You don't need 50 blog posts to make money. You need the right blog posts. In my first 30 days of actual writing, I published just 10 articles, but each one was strategic. Here's my content formula. 70% problem-solving content. These were deep dive guides answering specific problems. Not 10 tips for better focus. More like how to track billable hours when you're juggling 5 freelance clients. 20% product comparison posts. These are your moneymakers. I'd compare tools people were already searching for, Notion versus ClickUp for freelancers, or Toggle versus Harvest, which saves you more time. The remaining 10% personal case studies, behind-the-scenes stuff showing my own experiments and results. People trust real experiences over generic advice. And the secret sauce? Every single post included a problem hook in the first 100 words, personal experience or examples, even if it's hypothetical but clearly stated, actionable steps, not just theory, strategic affiliate links where they actually made sense. Remember, I didn't promote stuff I hadn't used or wouldn't recommend. Trust is everything. One bad recommendation can tank your entire blog's credibility. Let's talk monetization. This happens from days 46 to 90, multiple income streams. This is where things got interesting. I didn't rely on one income source. I diversified from the start. Income stream 1, affiliate marketing, 70% of revenue. I joined Amazon Associates and a few SaaS affiliate programs. The sweet spot? Software tools with recurring commissions. Let me break down the numbers so you can see how this actually works. If a project management tool pays $30 per referral, and you get 8 signups in a month, that's $240 right there. It doesn't sound like much, but remember, this compounds. Those same posts keep bringing in traffic month after month. Income stream 2, display ads, 15% of revenue. Once I hit about 5,000 monthly page views, I applied to Ezoic. The approval took a few weeks, but once ads were running, passive income baby, reality check. It was only about $30 to $40 a month at that traffic level. But hey, $40 I didn't have before. Income stream 3, sponsored opportunities, 15% of revenue. This surprised me. Around day 60, I got my first sponsor inquiry. A small tool wanted a review post for $150. Pro tip, once you hit 1,000 email subscribers or followers, which research shows is the sweet spot, brands start noticing you. Traffic strategy that actually worked. You won't guess this. Pinterest plus SEO. See, social media is a hamster wheel. I tried Instagram, burned out in 2 weeks. Instead, I focused on 2 things. 1. Pinterest. Yes, really. I'd create 3 to 5 pins per blog post and schedule them using Tailwind's free plan. Pinterest drives traffic for months after you post. It's like SEO on steroids. 2. SEO patience. Here's the reality. My first month, 47 visitors. Second month, 312 visitors. Third month, 2,147 visitors. SEO is a long game, but once Google starts ranking you, it's consistent, free traffic. Now that you what worked, how about I walk you through what didn't work? Transparency time. Let me keep it real. I wasted 2 weeks trying to build an email course that got 3 signups. Total flop. I also spent money on a premium theme I didn't need. Could have used a free one and invested that $60 into better tools. Learning curve. Focus on content first, aesthetics later. To recap, here's your 90-day roadmap. Days 1 to 5, niche down and research low competition keywords. Days 16 to 45, create 10 strategic posts, problem solving plus product comparisons. Days 46 to 90, set up affiliate links, apply for ad networks, stay consistent. Here's something else. It's not passive income right away. I worked my butt off. But after 90 days, I had a system that brought in money while I slept. And if you're wondering, no, this isn't get rich quick, but it is get results consistent. If this video helped you, smash that like button. It actually helps more people find this content. Subscribe if you want more real strategies like this, no BS. Drop a comment and tell me, what niche are you considering for your blog? I read every single one and I'll give you my honest thoughts. Quick note, some links in this video description are affiliate links, meaning I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you if you decide to purchase. I only recommend tools I've personally used or thoroughly researched. Your support helps me keep making free content like this. Thank you. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Now get out there and start building.